Hey class, this week we are focusing on vowel pairs that make the long E sound. Our reader for this week has words with the E vowel pair that makes the long E sound. So I'm going to take you through the reader, highlight, and help chunk and blend those words with the EE vowel pair. Let's get started. The title of our reader for this week is I see a bee. So some of the sight words that you'll notice in the reader that are patterns within the sentences is the sight word N-O-T, which says not, S-E-E, which is see, I-S, which is, T-H-E, which is the word the, and O-N, which is the word on. So as I'm looking at the first two sentences on this page, I'm going to highlight the words that have EE in them. So I see this word has EE vowel pair. This word has the EE vowel pair. This word, it repeats itself. And this word has the EE vowel pair. So if we go and we read the sentence, I would say, I see, we don't need to sound this word out because that's already a sight word, and sight words we don't sound out, but this word, we see an EE vowel pair. So remember, that EE vowel pair, it's only going to make that long E, so the E say its name, E. And then we have the beginning sound of the B. Who remembers what B says? Good, buh. So if we sound that word out, buh, E, B. I see a bee. This is the same word that we just sound and chunked out, B-E. The B is not in the. Now right here we have the beginning blend, TR, right? So remember the TR blend says tr, and then that EE vowel pair makes that long E sound. So say its name, tr-E. So tree. The bee is not in the tree. Now if I go and look on the second page, again, I see these words have the EE vowel pair. And if we read it, again, we notice that some of these words were in the previous page. So all we need to do is remember them, right? We don't have to sound and chunk it out again if we already remembered. So it would say, I see a bee. The B is not on the, we see this beginning sound, which is the J, and what sound does J make? J, J, so J, and then remember, EE vowel pair makes that long E sound, E, so J, E, and then we see P at the end of the word. So that P says P, so J, eep, J, eep, Jeep. So I see a bee. The bee is not on the Jeep. And we can see it's not on the Jeep. The next page, let's go ahead and highlight all those words that have the EE vowel pair. And remember, we are seeing repeating words in the patterns in the sentences. So no, if you remember the repeated word, you don't have to sound it out. I see a bee. The B is not on the, and right here we have the SH. And if we remember, the SH says sh, so sh. Now we have the vowel pair EE, which makes that long E sound, sh, E, and then again another P at the ending of the word, P, sh, eep, sh, eep, sheep. I see a bee. The bee is not on the sheep. Oops, sorry. All right, so on this page, again, I'm going to highlight all the words that we see with that EE vowel pair. And again, many of them are repeating. The word that looks like it changes is the last word in the sentence, okay? So let's read it again. I see a bee. The B is not in the, and for this word, we see the beginning sound, w, eads, w, eads, weeds. So I see a bee. The bee is not in the weeds. Perfect. Flip your book over to the next page. And again, I'm going to highlight all the words that have the EE vowel pair so it can tell me that I need to sound it out if need be and remember that long E sound. But again, these words highlighted, these three, those have been repeating in the story, so I remember what they say. I see a bee. The bee is on me. So boys and girls, thank you for following along with our reader. Make sure to read and reread it all throughout the week. And remember, when you see that E vowel pair, it will make that long E sound.